there, in this video I will show you how to schedule a meeting on Zoom. So for this I am here on zoom.us and I sign up with my Google account. Once you sign up, then you will be directed to this page. Now here in left side we have this meeting section. Click on it. As you clicked, so now here you will get different options of scheduling your meeting. So I will click on schedule a meeting here. Now here you can add the name for your meeting, so I will let it go with my meeting. So I will let it go with this my meeting name. Okay, you can add a description if you want. So let's add a description that I have a class with bachelor students for psychology. Okay, then you can schedule a date when you want to hold this meeting. So I want to hold it by 10, and here you can add a time. So I want it to by 8 p.m. sorry 1 p.m. Okay, now you can select the time zone from here. So I will go with London is okay. Okay, then all these options are optional. You can go with personal meeting or you can go with generate automatically. So I will go with personal here and then click on save. Okay, so now here is the invitation. You can copy this invitation here, copy meeting invitation. Now it is copied. Now simply send this invitation in group or where you want to send, and then they will click on the link here and then they will join the meeting. So in this way you can schedule a meeting on Zoom. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe our channel. See you guys in the next one. Bye.